Jungle.
Welcome to JOM'S World of Arts and Crafts YouTube channel. Our topic for today is about 7 drawing tips for beginners. A child's first scribbling is something which it tries to express if you give a pencil in his hand. Drawing is relatively very simple and an easy skill and is something with which you can have great fun. It is also relatively not a very expensive hobby and can start with paper and a pencil. It can go on till acquiring costly pen and tablets, a computer hardware through which you can draw on your computer. It is very costly, however the precision for perfection is very high. Unlike earlier days, getting information on drawing and sketching is very easy and inexpensive. You can search information on Google and get various sites which teach drawing. Also, nowadays this art form is liked by many youngsters. Like all other art forms, with constant and systematic practice one can become a great artist. These are few drawing tips which can help anyone improve their skill in drawing and become an artist. Reading and practicing these in your daily routine will improve your skill. And here are the 7 tips for you. So just sit back, relax and enjoy. 1. If you are drawing and you are a right-handed person, ensure that the light is from your left side. This will prevent your hand shadow falling on your paper. 2. First step, when you practice drawing, you should practice drawing line, straight line, curved line, scribbled lines, and your hand should obey the command of your thoughts and visions. You should control your hand and you should be able to bring out what you want. 3. You should further develop drawing circles, oval shapes, crossed lines and bold and thick lines. Just like how a baby develops from crawling stage to walking stage, your art should also develop step by step. 4. These lines and curves are like pillars to a building. The foundation should be strong enough to have a good building. Similarly, these initial small lines and curves will go a long way in your career. You should also start controlling the stress on your pencil. You should be able to bring the correct darkness and thickness in the lines what you draw. 5. Initially you will not be able to draw a circle or an oval shape correctly, nevertheless don't get discouraged. You should practice and practice until you get perfection. You should also keep all your drawings carefully from the start to know how you are improving. You could also date your sketches and preserve it for the future. 6. You should concentrate in the area where you feel you are weak. If you are not able to shade properly, then learn more to do that. You can try out your own style of shading. Build your own individuality, never copy from another artist. 7. Last but not the least, use good quality materials. 4B and 6B pencils and good chart paper or notebook with good quality paper should be sufficient to start with. Quality definitely matters, hence never compromise on quality. If you are a person who is interested in learning how to draw, just continue watching this channel for more video uploads. And you can also search JOM'S World of Art for Kids on Facebook. Please watch out for more video uploads. Give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we keep making them. For more videos to give you more knowledge about drawing, just hit the subscribe button. And remember to click on notification bell. Maraming salamat sa panunood. Goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to you, goodbye to me, goodbye, see you next time everyone. Goodbye! Till next time guys.